Process Welding Systems, Incorporated, serving the world's industries with plasma and TIG welding solutions. Process Welding Systems, Incorporated can design and build automated or semi-automated welding systems to fit a wide variety of plasma and TIG welding applications, such as this 2-axis battery edge welder. The 2-axis motion control system supports linear, circular, and helical interpolation. Automatic welding systems reduce the need for skilled operators and reduce scrap rate by producing more consistent welds. A 2-axis welding system allows repeatable precision TIG or plasma welding of complex welding profiles on a horizontal plane. The motion control interface box allows continuous speed control and structured basic programming through a keypad and display. Manual controls include stop, start, home, and purge. Process Welding Systems DT100 weld programmer sequences the weld schedule and controls arc current with slope and pulse controls, producing repeatable precision welds. The DT100 is a weld process control that offers the ability to store welding parameters for repeatable on-demand execution of arc welding programs. The DT100 provides up to 4 main welding intervals in each program, along with initial and final intervals, gas preflow and postflow times, and a user-programmable on-off control in any interval of up to 3 external devices. The DT100 provides programmable slopes and pulsing of the weld current from the power supply. Precision DC servo motor controls provide a constant speed over complex shapes. Repeatable high-quality standards can be maintained through precise control of all welding and motion parameters. A controllable weld process yields superior welds, which require less finishing. A triple-axis torch slide provides for fine manual adjustments of torch position over the part. Process Welding Systems is in business to help customers meet production goals. We offer integration of industry-standard components to full custom systems. Custom torches, fixtures, nozzles, controls, and turnkey systems are offered along with our line of standard products and consumables. Process Welding Systems can meet unique customer needs, helping our customers reduce production costs, improve output levels, and enhance product quality.